Out of control, it feels the rhythm.
I look up in the mirror, but there is no image of me. I take it all back if you just answer my phone, please.
Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong again, it returned to me. Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong again, it returned to me. I found my old phone in the bottom drawer, side at the corner. It was dead, but it had charger next to it, so I switched on.
I found names of my best friend. Now I know why that phone I moved on, but it's right time to clean up some admissions in here.
Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong again, it returned to me. Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong again, it returned to me. I post a message to my best girl, but the very early morning got it back to me. They got lost in the internet web. It returned to me unread. Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong again, it returned to me. Message read unknown new, so it's returned to me. But why is that we just have an argument? Nothing to say, the love's bad. So why it will be my message is coming back to
Send
me.
back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong it returned to me.
So I went up down the street and connected to different addresses. Maybe now I get in touch with her again, but I feel it come back again next day. I trade later, I send new text to her.
Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong it returned to me.
So I went up down the street and connected to different addresses. Maybe now I get in touch with her again, but I feel it come back again next day. I trade later, I send new text to her.
Send back to sender, send back to sender. Got it back unknown address. Wrong it returned to me.
The text said on it, no such name exists, no such job address, no name attached. No one here like that, no one else is here. This zone is closed. So this time I sent an email to her direct phone. If she acknowledged me, maybe send me smiling face, I will give my right on for it, for a text or a message. But if nothing comes to me, surely then I understand. Send back to sender,
Send back to sender. Got it back unknown address.
wrong it returned to me.
Send back to sender, send back to sender.